How to make a mouth-watering beer bud chicken. The day before you're going to cook it, prepare it however you want, season it however you want. Then put it in the refrigerator, wrap some aluminum foil on top. Then get your grill ready however you want and get your chicken out of the refrigerator. They make a beer butt rack where you put the can of beer, or you can have a pan like this that has a center that would prop the chicken up, and you put the beer in the center. Once you pour your beer in the little container that's in the center, chop up some away. But before you put the chicken on top, chop up some onions, add it to the beer. Then you put your chicken on top, stand it up. Then get you some onion and shove some onion inside the cavity from the top and put an onion to cap it off up at the top. Let it cook to a temperature about 165 degrees in the thigh, which will probably take you about an hour and 10 minutes, hour and 20 minutes, depending on how you're cooking it. And let me tell you this. Once it's done, you take it off the grill, let it rest for about 15 minutes. Then you start carving it. All the white meat on this thing will be just as juicy as I don't know what. Let me tell you, baby, God dog mighty, this thing was juicy. Now, next time I make this, I'm going to add some fresh garlic cloves to the beer and the onion mix. And then I'll shove some more garlic cloves in the top with the onion, just to give it some extra flavor. So that's it. That's how you make a mouth-watering beer bud chicken, baby. And if you're wondering about that glaze that's on there, that's barbecue sauce. So get whatever barbecue sauce you like. And what I do is I set up my timer every probably about 15 minutes. I go out and I put a layer of barbecue sauce on it. And let me tell you, yours will turn out just as beautiful as this, and it will taste just as delicious as mine did. I'm already looking forward to leftovers. All right, y'all. I'm out. But that's how you do it. Peace.